Tuesday workout. So we're going to start out with some side skips with jacks. So we side skip, and I'm not going very far on my side skips as usual. If you have more room, and I'm not doing a very good job of counting either, that's okay. And we're doing 8 squat with a rotation. So here I'm rotating, just grab inside your ankle there, back up. We'll do 8. I pause at the bottom, kind of pull everything to that ankle, just inside. We'll do 4 more. See, I'm grabbing inside. A little tug, and 2 more. And we'll go straight leg bear crawls. I'll go sideways on these. So I'm bouncing from foot to foot. On my straight leg bear crawls. And we're doing regular jills. And we'll do 10. A little better job counting. And forward lunge into a knee grab. And I'll come at you. We'll do 6 there. I go right into my next one. I'll finish them up sideways. Really push off your back foot. Right into the next one. Make a good little pivot. Really give a good push off that foot. Crab and tabletop. We'll go sideways again. Tabletop means I'm just trying to get my knees and my shoulders straight. That's the goal anyway. So belly button to the ceiling, hips to the ceiling, to the sky. Just have to kind of keep reminding myself of that as we're going. Okay, skipping with back foot touch and arm to the sky, trying to be arrows straight. Good, trying to touch my shoulder to my ear, remind myself to be very straight and straight arm. All right, roll backs, reverse lunge. And on my hips, just 1. This time I'll really use my hands. I'll turn, I'll do one where I bring my foot to my hip right here to go up, then I'll reverse lunge. Do that again. There. Just the alternative way to get up. And then push-ups and Superman roll. And we'll do 3. Push up, and then arch. All right, hope you had a good workout.